DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
If you just come in for the live, make sure you like up the live, drop a comment. We're here chilling, we're talking. We're chilling, talking about music, everything under the sun. I talk about the good up girl, them at Trinidad, or Baba, lie to me about, you see me? So, we're there, I talk about and discuss that. I try to find out, you see me? So, shout out to Caribbean girls, them. You see me? We love, yeah? We love Caribbean ladies, them, you see me? I say. And yeah, the next track we jump in right now, Kalonji, Blame. Let's get it, gang. We don't all of the vibe much now. Come in. I got him, girl. I think Baba said this was after they killed his girl or his wife. Whoa. Yeah. I heard this is after he killed his girl, his wife. I'm not sure which one, but that's crazy, man. Come on.
Cause all of the tears on my cry still can't decrease the pain. Me, I wonder if them notice. When I'm gone with my heart in a human form. So the fuck you feel outside we heartless. In the hospital bed every time me I close.
I ain't gonna lie, this one started very sudden, but the production quality. And the man, yo, the man Vice dog, man Vice clear. Hey, come in, yo.
So the fuck you feel outside we heartless.
Man say a girl in my heart in a human form, bro. You see me say I gotta ask me all this. You see me I kill the person I love and care about. You see me and say, damn, this deep. So this is after they kill his wife. So why is his arm in a cast, gang? Let me know.
At the hospital bed every time me I close, just a picture your face be. And it take me 10 times more when me hear you moan for my name and I ground for the pain, dear. Bridget James, me know all of the siren of the world can't bring you back. Me take all of the blame where your family help for me. Me know them see me as a
Jaja, man, girl, pretty to you, dog. Man, have a pretty girl, woman, you know, dog. And then come a kill woman. A kill him or a car accident. What happened, gang? Let me see here. Where going? Baba say they killed his girl. I gotta go read that comment again, but damn.
World can't bring you back. Me take all of the blame where your family help for me. Me know them see me as a criminal, but me no criminal. See everybody have a past, and my past just cost me a funeral. I'm back and I'm a past cause them fuck up me.
Damn, man, say yo, all in bridging. When you say bridging James, me take all the blame where your family put on me, cause them think me a criminal. But me no criminal. You see me, but everybody have a past, and my past just cost a funeral. That's crazy. Damn, bro. As I say, everybody make mistake, and they guess a mistake going making a pass, yo. That's crazy.
Right now make me feel so relevant. I say me send back a yard. Give me strength when me have. Yo, JFL send back the 40. Cause I'm not gone with the goddamn light. Now my life right now, we are dwelling in the darkness. And you see the two rookie boy, them will take for your life. Me and God sit down up on the goodness. Just a wait.
Yo. This man vocals is crazy, you know. Kalonji, dog. I be forgetting how good this man music is, dog. No joke, bro. Yeah, man, clarity, man, and the voice and the vocals, bro. The man just flowing through the song, just like, you know? What it on the screen.
Take for your life, me and God sit down up on the badness. Just a wait for you take off your bandage. Murder we serve that like hot bread. Remember you give me 2 years.
So wait. You see how the boy them take for your life, dog. And me and God sit down here up on the badness. Just a wait to take off your bandage. You see me? Murder we serve that like hot bread. Cha. Yo, come on.
We change my ways.
Yo, me have to pull out that, man. Come on.
Take for your life, me and God sit down up on the badness. Just a wait for you take off your bandage. Murder we serve that like hot bread. Remember you give me 2 years. We change my ways. That are 2 years with the crime rate.
Oh, Buckley, they give me 2 years to change. Man, we matter. Who gave him 2 years to change him ways? God?
Just apply the arrangement. Fight fire with fire, so you and let. This a 556 trim energy. I will not care you from fuck your residence. Send the brand new rifle for you and let. With a hand on me element.
Okay, where you from? Fuck your residence. Brand new rifle for angle this dog. I'm to you, man.
Right now with a hand on me element. Yeah. wanna kill you from fuck your residence. It's a 556 trim energy. Fight fire with fire, so you handle. Just apply
a 5.6 chain energy. Come on, man. When you say yo,
the regiment, yeah, just apply it. Cause all of the tears of my cry still can't decrease the pain. Me I wonder if them notice. I'm not gone with my heart in a human form. So the fuck your fear, say we heartless. In a the hospital bed every time me I close, just a picture your face.
sound. Woo! No, damn. Man, industrial man, dog. Yo, me know it's. Yeah, me know dog feel like one of dog. Dog woman no look 3 bad to you, know, dog. Yeah, look slim as a look slim to that. Yeah.
And it take me 10 times more when me hear you moan for my name and a gun for the pen. Bridget James, me know all of the siren of the world can't bring you back. Me take all of the blame where your family a help for me. Me know them see me as a criminal, but me no.
Can't hear him with pain of dog voice, man, and the pain of the dog got you, man. Yeah, man.
Criminal, see everybody have a past, and my past just cost me a funeral. I'm a back and I'm a past, cause them fuck up my meds right now, make me feel so relevant. Man, I waste lyrics, my critics, all of me taking a 2 cents, and I just can't bring back Bridget, this a life for we live in. Media corrupt in
Jaja, and girl named Bridget. Jaja. One dog has so much blood clean memories and pictures and thing. I'm real girl this though. The videos what we see that's his real girl. Yeah man, that must happen, man.
Me taking a 2 cents and I just can't bring back Bridget, this a life for we live in. Media corrupt in the mind, say anything and I say no run with it. But that can't break my pride. Give thanks to the Most High, cause him never left my side. Him never left my side.
Yeah. Me man, I always give thanks, man, cause God always there when nobody else is there, no man. That's a fact.
Remember you give me 2 years to change my ways. After 2 years where the crime rate I go yes. Just apply the regiment, fight.
So give me 2 years to change my ways. And then 2 years of the crime rate I go. Hey, me not blame me, man, my youth. I see something, but I probably do that, man. Yeah? No, man. Yeah, man. Run the place red. Red.
Fire with fire, so we unload. This a 556 trim energy. I wanna kill you from fuck your residence.
I said it's a 5.6 Adrian any dread. Trim any dread. What we talking about? Which dread you talking about, gang? The shooting video on YouTube. I'm sorry, right? Oh, the shooting video on YouTube. Hold on.
Like regiment.
Yeah, man, that hot. Yeah, man, I took a slim as the dog when you know, say, I'm a woman, dog. Every day you're not going to sleep on that time, man. Only do this and that. Probably have a family. Did you have kids with her? No, that'd probably make it hotter. Did you have kids and stuff? You know what I'm saying? Now, memories and things. That's crazy. That's hot. Yeah, man. Boy, if you dead, man. You dead. Yeah, man.
Cause all of the tears of my cry still can't decrease the pain. Me I wonder if them notice. When I'm gone with my heart in a human form. So the fuck you feel so.
Oh, the fuck if you ask me heartless? Eh? Can I blow nonsense question and ask man? You know see what just happened?
We heartless. In a the hospital bed every time me I close, just a picture your face be. And it take me 10 times more when me hear you moan for my name and a gun for the pen. Bridget James, me know all of the siren of the world can't bring you back. Me take all.
Oh, Bridget James. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking it's my friend James. I thought he was talking about his girl and his friend. But he said Bridget James, not my friend James. Thought he was talking about Bridget. And then he said, yo, my friend Jim. But no, Bridget James, that's her full name. That's crazy, man. Damn. Yeah, our family blame him. Damn.
All of the blame where your family a help me. Me know them see me as a criminal, but me no criminal. See everybody have a past, and my past just cost me a funeral. Yeah. I'm a back and I'm a past, cause them fuck up my meds right now, make me feel so relevant.
Sure.
That's what I tell.
Yeah, man say, yo, take every blame where your family give me. Right now, them see me as a criminal, but me not a criminal, cause everybody have a past. Right now, my past just cost me a funeral. You know, my back in my past. Cause right now they make me feel damn. Jaja. So yo, me is not a criminal now, me just have a past. I know this past cost me a funeral. So now I gotta go back to what I used to do in the past because right now things are down.
Okay, baby.
Who be mushy now?
Bedtime is rough.
That hot. Reason why you see me here looking like I'm smiling is because I'm doing, but that hot, bro. That hot, man. Yeah. Shout out to Kalonji, yo. You see me what I say? Real dope artist, man. Man got crazy vocals, bro, and crazy lyrics. And he can make like songs like that. That's very deep and conscious about what's going in his life. So yeah, man, very talented you, man. Damn, that sucks. That sucks, man. That's crazy. One thing about I want to down mafia. Yo, that's crazy, man. Shout out to Kalonji, man. Sorry to hear that happened to him, man, and to his girl who probably didn't have nothing to do with what's going on, man. So this one say he said he has an amazing vocal for real. That's a fact. They tried to kill him by the Bricks Hotel and she got hit. Damn. So that's when he gets shot in their hand. And this was when they get shoot up right after 7. Tried to get him in the car and told him to get him, but he survived. The shooting video on YouTube, yeah, that shit hit the news. Damn. There's a real girl in that video. Very sad. Damn. Yeah, Trinidad is real serious, man. G. Yeah, man. We know, man. Shout out to everybody in Trinidad. As me I say, surviving and living. Yeah, living. Shout out to all the citizens, the innocent people in Trinidad just living and just trying to make a way. That's not caught up in any gang violence. That's just going out and making the most out of life, man. Shout out to y'all. You know, sometimes a few bad apples. Well, I wouldn't say bad apple because everybody have life, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the people that's not caught up in this, man, shout out to y'all that's still trying to make a way and do things that's not getting caught up in gang violence or anything like that, you know? But yeah, man, it's real serious out there. And shout out to the people that's going through stuff like that, because sometimes people get into them part of life and you don't know what's the reason behind it, you know what I'm saying? It's because, like I said, at one point everybody was friends, so you don't know what happened behind the scenes to make it turn into, you know, what's going on right now. So, but shout out to everybody, man, in Trinidad, everybody that live in Trinidad on a whole, man, that's just trying to make life. Cause everybody at the end there just trying to make life and live to the best they can. You see me? Some people just have different methods or ways of going about it.